You wanna speak real English? Keep this channel subscribed and get the notification first.
Learn real English in just a few minutes.
TP Damba YouTube channel. The easiest, fastest and most fun way to learn English. Hello, how it's going? I am TP Damba. Nice to meet you today. We are going to learn some ways to ask and answer some questions in English. It is very easy to learn and only takes few minutes. Now you are going to learn to answer most common question. How are you? How are you? You probably know if someone asks how are you? How are you? The answer is I am fine in textbooks before. But in modern and natural English, people usually ask this question different way. Let's see how it is. If someone say, how are you? How are you? You can say, I am fine. I am fine. There are some other ways to answer this. Pretty good. Pretty good. We also have not bad. Not bad. Again, how are you? This is the most common way to ask how someone is. Now let's look at some different way to ask how someone is. These ways are more casual and much more common. First, hey, how it's going? Hey, how it's going? You can answer this many ways. If you are feeling better, you can say good, good, pretty good, pretty good, not bad, not bad. Once more, good, pretty good, not bad. But even though these answers are something as I am fine, you can answer the question how's it going? But even though these questions are same thing as I am fine, you can't answer the question how's it going? Saying I am fine. Bit strange, right? If you are not feeling good, you can say not so good, not so good, not so good, or not so well, not so well, or not great, not great. But if you say one of these negative answers, the other person will usually ask, why? What's wrong? What's wrong? To be polite. Then you have to explain. Another casual way to ask how are you? How are you? Is what's up? What's up? The cheerful way to answer this question, you can say not much, not much, or nothing much, nothing much. That means you are able to chat with him or her. What's up? What's up is another way to ask hello, hello, hey or hi, hey or hi can be the answer. But you have to remember that when you ask similar questions just like how are you, it doesn't mean you ask about other person's health. But we are only asking to be polite. If someone asks you, what's up? What's up? you don't want even answer. Instead, you can reply the same. What's up? What's up? So then time has come to say you goodbye. Today, let's see you in few days later in such a video. English in few minutes. Take care. Bye bye.